Hello, welcome back to another edition of Window Screen Adventures. Today we are in Santa Barbara, California, and it is a beautiful day. 70 degrees, right by the ocean. You can't beat it. So the game plan for today is to take this screen door, which you can see the homeowner has done kind of a makeshift job of patching up the scratched out hole that her cat made and replacing it with a product called Pet Screen, which comes in a couple of different styles. There's a real heavy version for dogs and then a middle weight version for cats and small animals. And yeah, that's the plan. That's kind of common. Cats are the #1 screen door predator, lack of a better word. Then it goes dogs, and then it goes the drunken relative who didn't know your screen was just rescreened and walks through it. So we're going to get after it for any and all screen repair. And to let the air in and keep the bugs out, give us a shout. Affordable Window Screen, 805-444-4795. Have a great day.